I am Kuldeep Sharma, Assistant General Manager from Amcure. We are from Amcure Pharmaceutical Limited, Nucron Division. We are basically a company which is in one among the top 10, but basically known for the innovation and all the recent advancement as far as technology part is concerned. Amcure is the basically vast integrated company which is dealing in the research and development. Chirality is the one of the biggest thing which we have given to the pharma industry in India, and we are the company having almost 76 chiral pure products. Now across the world, chirality has been well accepted as a new way of therapy or new way of management of the medicines or management of the disease. But it has been seen, that in India, it was the first innovation has been created by the Amcure only. Time and again, we are coming out with those molecules which are basically spearheaded in terms of the other company and other molecules. And tenecteplase is another molecule which we are basically the only company apart from the innovator who has developed it. It is a biotech product, and as far as our biotech range is concerned, we are ranging among the top 10 as far as the international market is concerned. Largest manufacture facilities we are having with a lot of FDI approved plants, and with a field force of almost 2500 plus, we are one among the top company. We are having the manufacturing unit all across the India. Apart from India, we are having in New Jersey also. It is almost 11 manufacturing units we are having in different part. Pune and Jammu and all other places. New Jersey also we are having. Across 68 countries we are also exporting our products, and chiral technology we are the pioneer. So this is the way we are moving forward, and one among the fast moving company in the last 15 years as far as pharma industry is concerned. As informed you, this is basically we are leaders in the chiral pure technology. MedPure XL is basically our number one product as far as our division is concerned. Then we have the S-amlodipine. We are leader in S-amlodipine, and SOMAX and S-Numlo are basically the product belong to us only. And then anti-anemic products are there. We are again the leader. Orofor XT. Then in the thrombolytic agent, as I told you, Velix is another brand. Which is basically the leader as far as thrombolytic agents are concerned. And overall, we have saved more than lakhs life as far as India is concerned, because it takes only 1 second to go inside and maximum 5 seconds to basically do the injection part. So this is all about. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.